workers 2 full days just to program one canopy. Production stopped the whole time. We also weld more complex workpieces robotically. Metalleco, new solution changes everything. The torch reaches every weld point with zero manual flipping. Swap fixtures in minutes, reduction of 70% changeover time. Engineers design paths offline, slashing programming time by 50%. Now, workpieces that were previously impossible to weld with robots can be automated. This significantly improves welding automation for hydraulic support components. Custom welding solutions. Consult Metalleco welding experts today.